In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Jira. To get started, open Jira and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Dashboard. Right next to it, you will see the plus icon to create a new dashboard. Click that to begin setting up a fresh dashboard from scratch. Now you will be asked to complete some basic details. Enter a clear name for your dashboard, along with a short description that explains its purpose. This is especially helpful if your team will be using it too, because it makes the dashboard easier to recognize and understand at a glance. Next, set the permissions for the dashboard. This controls who can view it and who can edit it. Depending on your needs, you can keep it private or share it with specific projects, groups, or your wider organization. Taking a moment to set this correctly helps make sure the right people have access without creating confusion later. Once those settings look good, click Save. After the dashboard is created, you will land on a blank dashboard page in the top right corner. Click Change Layout. Here, you can choose how the dashboard is structured, such as a 2-column or 3-column layout with or without a sidebar. The best choice depends on the kind of reports and gadgets you want to display. So pick a layout that gives your information enough space to stay readable. Next, click Add Gadget in the top right corner. Jira offers a range of gadgets you can browse through, so search for the ones that match the kind of insights you want to track. When you find one you want, click Add. After adding a gadget, configure its settings carefully. This may include selecting a specific project, choosing a saved filter, or setting up a chart like a pie chart, issues in progress, or a rich filter controller. You should also set a refresh interval so your dashboard updates automatically and stays useful without manual work. Once your gadgets are in place, you can click and drag their headers to rearrange them on the page. This makes it easy to organize the dashboard so the most important information appears first. When everything is arranged the way you want, click Done in the top right corner. To make your dashboard more useful, consider including popular gadgets like filter results, created versus resolve chart, pie chart, or issue statistics, Jira roadmap, and average time and status. These can help you monitor assigned work, track throughput, visualize priorities, highlight milestones, and spot workflow bottlenecks. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.